Hi, I'm Nurse Nancy, and this is my cat BB. Today, we're going to do a demonstration for you so you know how to put a condom on your cat. This is essential for a night out on the town, especially if he's not neutered. Step 1, make sure your cat is sitting calmly. Step 2, make sure your cat rolls over on his back. BB, wait! Come back! Come back! BB! BB! Well, that didn't work out so well. I guess he's just gonna have to learn how to put on his own condom. Well, that didn't work, but I know what will. Get your pet spayed or neutered.
Because your pets are sleazy, make a choice that's easy. Nurse Nancy.